What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can redeem your Revolut points. So let's get started. Now first off, once you log in into your Revolut app, you would need to go to the RevPoints tab in the bottom right corner. So here on the RevPoints tab, if you haven't already enabled RevPoints, you would just need to go through the setting up process, which is pretty straightforward. But once you finish with the setting up process, you can go ahead and tap on the Redeem tab right here. So here on the Redeem tab, you can see all the different ways that you can redeem your Revolut points. Also, if you want to know what are the 3 best ways on redeeming your Rev points, I will link that video in the upper right corner. But for now, let's go ahead and continue. So essentially, you can redeem your Rev points first of all for airline miles. So this is a 1-to-1 conversion rate, as you can see right here. Then you can also use Revolut Pay. So with Revolut Pay, you earn 2x Rev points every time you purchase with Revolut Pay. And also when using Revolut Pay, you can convert your already existing Rev points into a discount for that purchase. Next up we have stays, so you can book hotels, Airbnbs and so on all around the world using your Rev points for the discount. So similarly as for the Revolut Pay option. And also, when you book a stay through Revolut, you will receive some Rev points back. So going forward, you also have an eSIM option, so you can exchange your Rev points for a nice discount when you're purchasing an eSIM through Revolut. So you have a country-based eSIM, region-based eSIM, so continent-based eSIM, and a global eSIM. So for each one of these plans, you can get about 50% discount, at least with my 500 Rev points at the moment. Then you also have the Experiences tab, so for this, Revolut pulls the data from your current location and then matches the experiences that are currently available on your location. And lastly, you have donations. So on the donations, you can support a charity that you want by exchanging Rev points for cash, and then that cash goes to charity. And depending on your country, you would also have a feature under the products menu that allows you to exchange Rev points for gift cards. So these are Amazon, Uber and so on gift cards that you can directly exchange your Rev points for. And essentially, that's guys how you can redeem your Rev points in the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.